Pocket Pirate. Welcome to Wizard and Kitten. Today we're making snickerdoodles. I have a hiccups. Let's start with the buttery. Next, a shortening. Photo. And then sugar. I like sugar. Next, the eggs. There we go. Now mix it. Can you help me, please? Now we add a flour. Now we toss it in. And then the baking soda. Let's toss it. Now, add the sugar. Oh. And I clean up data. And then add the salt. Okay, we're gonna put this right here because I'm going to make a hole for it. Go take this and pull it in. And then cover it up. Put our handprint. And then cover our handprint. I am sewing up. Can you hold me? Now, in another bowl, put cinnamon, and sugar! More sugar! And then mix them up. Now we're done. And then we soup them. And roll it in your hands. And then cover it with cinnamon and sugar. And then put it up your cookie sheet. Yeah. Now they're ready to bake. Put them in the oven. Let's bake them for 8 minutes. No, 3 minutes. Hey Alexa, set a timer for 3 minutes. Making cookies are fun. Making cookies are fun. A cookies are ready to eat. Cookie eyes. These are best cookies ever. They're a little bit crunchy too. Goodbye, everybody. See you next time. And yum 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 yum. If you like this video, hit that subscribe, and you can cook like me. And if you flip a pancake over, you will be a pancaker. Bye.